your ideas about the photo events today. Is it ready na ba? Sino kasama mo ngayon? Okay, what do you want to say to your mom? Of course, we should have our friends, diba? Because here we also develop the confidence of our kids. Kaya ba? And then number two, here is your family. What can you see in the picture? They are the...
Hi, Mom! Hi, Mom! Mom, ano pangalan niya? Parang ASEAN din yan. Kasi banana.
Thank you so much. We'll have it over 15.
Thank you so much for supporting me in this mission. The parents are helping their child and teaching them how to cook. Sometimes it's dangerous to cook by yourself. You need an adult assistant to help you from cooking, doing something that you don't know. Sama? Sama? Natawa. Ay, sabi mo ay ito sa isip. Sabi lang kanina, uy, pamilya, wala akong uniform. Uy, wala, pamilya, ako lang kanina, di ba nun? Wala. The only different person ito. Kanya, okay.
Why can you do it?
Kasi nakakakaling na hindi ko. Oo, nakakakaling pa na kanina. Man, ako, man, si Daddy.
Music ko na daw.
Uy, itatapal. Parang
Thank you so much. Be sure always to watch our events. Once again, a big round of applause to our top 7 finalists. What do you think would be our harder for today? We can go straight to the rest of the backstage. Thank you so much for your support segment. Okay, so guys, you will be playing or giving your viewpoints about the film we will be seeing on the screen. Are you ready? Okay, she is definitely and female title number 1. I give it up to Okay, the flash through our security rifle. Here is our photo. So what can you say about the photo?
They are playing because they are friends. They're friends together for playing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Male female candidate number 1. Very precise, but direct to the point. Now let's hit on our next finalist. Female candidate number 15. Okay, how are you, female candidate number 15? Okay, so, what is also doing some supporters today? What do you want to say to your supporters today? Are you ready to have your see your photo here?
Kuya, nagkawa na
Okay, so
kayo.
we're gonna explain the photo, okay? Now, here is your photo.
Basta ganun sila.
Can I have your next photo, please? Thank you so much, female candidate number 15. And now, let's have female candidate number 7. That's how short to tell first. How are you? How are you, Archie? Okay, so who are with you today? What do you want to say to your mom sure na ito ang buong pamilya. Tama ba? Asa na supporters mo ngayon? Okay, so now we're gonna explain the formats of the day. So, here goes your program.
She's eating vegetables because she wants little last baby.
Thank you so much. Female tenant number 11. And now, let's go for female tenant number 8. Hello, female tenant number 8. Okay, what we want to say to your supporters. There you go, again. Female tenant number 8. So, yeah. Alright, here is your photo. What can you say about the photo?
Magilig ng bye-bye natin.
Thank you so much. People have already, and now, let's have our female tenant number 10. Hello, female tenant number 10, how are you? Okay, what do you want to say to your supporters today?
Thank you to all of you for coming here and supporting me for this content.
These are your supporters, and here is your photo. What can you say about the photo? There you go.
The photo shows the kids exercising. Exercise is a body activity that we need to make our muscles strong. And I thank you.
Of course, you did a good job. Thank you so much. Female tenant number 10. Of course, we'll love to grow our muscles, right? Okay, after that, let's have female tenant number 9. Hello, female tenant number 9, how are you? Yes, of course. So, please begin your day. What do you want to say to them? I'm so sorry to come here. After the parents of this day, we are now ready to answer for the parents of our photo. Here is your photo. What can you say about the photo?
Di kaya Melvin, nandito lang kami, Di pasok mo na kayo. Bato,
DM, how are you? Here we go. Number 6, runners up are. Represent the award for our 6 runners up. Who likes to call in Mr. Edgardo Salinas and Mrs. Bernardita Nava. Our 6 runners up will be receiving a sash and a trophy. Let's go first. Our 6 runners up are, let's go first with our female candidate. Our 6th runner-up is female candidate number. Female candidate number 15. Dia Gabriel R. Malika. With an average score of 87.2. And we're paired with me. Our male 6th runner-up is male candidate number. Male candidate number 11. Yeah, B. Silvano. Congratulations with our 6th runner-up. There you go. Congratulations. Aside yung mga staff natin, thank you so much. And now let's give it up for our 5th runners-up. Our 5th runners-up will be presented by Dr. Roger Soriano, Dr. Rosario Taylor, and Ms. Maria Pao. Ladies and gentlemen, our little Mr. and Mrs. Precinct 20 to 23 5th runners-up are female candidate number 5th runner-up, female candidate number 1. Congratulations to our 5th runners-up. And now, congratulations to our 5th runners-up. Up next, let's have our 4th runners-up. Our 4th runners-up will be presented by Dr. Lisa Soriano, Mr. Andre Dia, and in Dr. Venus Gursky. Ladies and gentlemen, our Coasteers. Fourth runners-up are female candidate number 9. Congratulations to you both. And now, let's have our third runners-up. Our third runners-up will be presented by Mr. Sandy Aquino and Ms. Joy Aquino Martinez. Ladies and gentlemen, our this year's third runners-up are female candidate number female candidate number 11 and male candidate number 14. Where we have it listed after this year's third runners. Congratulations, guys. What a job, well done. And now let's have our second runners-up. And we got all this time, let's have our this year's second runners-up. Our presenters for second runners-up are Mr. Anthony Mejia and Ms. Fortaleza Adams. Ladies and gents, your second runners-up are female candidate number 10 and male candidate number 9. Two female kids here in the back, waiting for the first name. Sino ang ating little Miss Bishop 2023? Is it Sino number 7? At Sino number 8? Sarako. Is it Nicole number 5? Or number 3 our presenters.